What to do, YouTube? BasedKev here today with a special unboxing video. I am very excited for this video. As you can see by the thumbnail and by the title of this video, I got the Supreme Nike SB Dunk Lows in a hyper blue colorway. My size 9, personal size, definitely for the feet, not for the resale. You know what it is. And so the drop was on Thursday, March 4th, 2021. As you know, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. On the website, I did a manual live cop, as you can see here. Check that out. And I'm just here to show you the shoes in person. So I received the shoes on the following Tuesday. I think it was March 9th, 2021. And I did a quick unboxing, as you can see right here. Check it out. Here we go, unboxing. Paper. Ooh, 2 stickers. Blam, blam, blam. Bada bing. Got some bubbles. Bada boom. For the main event. Here it is. Purple box. Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS. Size 9. Check it out. Here you go. Days. There it is. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, I'll do some close-ups in a bit. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're a first-time viewer of my channel, please subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can watch other videos and uploads I have about Nike, Supreme, Dunks, things, pickups like that. Also, like the video, it'll help my channel grow, and for sure comment about what you thought on the drop, how your experience was. I'd love to hear y'all's thoughts. Alright, so here you go. I got them in hand for more close-up shots and more details for y'all. And here it is. First, starting off, we got a purple box with Nike SB on the top cover. On the label, it says Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS for quick strike in the white / hyper blue - metallic gold colorway, size 9. And once you open the box, you see this paper, the shoebox paper, and it has logos of Nike SB and Supreme box logos printed all over it. It's a nice touch. Little details like that makes it amazing. First shoe, and here they are, Nike SB Dunk Lows in the hyper blue colorway. So we got blue croc leather around the shoe, around the toes, sides, and back, with white leather going in between on the toe cap, on the side panels, and on the back heel. We have swoosh with the croc leather as well. Comes with black laces standard, but also comes with additional blue laces. Tongue is white. This very soft and I would say premium material on the tongue. And the Nike logo is in gold. So the main hits on these from different SB Dunks would be the iconic stars logos on the side and on the inside. This is paying homage to the Nike SB Supreme collab that Supreme did back in 2003, I believe, with their Nike SB Dunk Highs, which came in 3 different colorways. It came in a light blue, a red, and an orange. And then 18 years later, 2021, present time, they came out with the low iteration of the Dunk Lows, but in way different colorways. They got a black, a blue, green, and a brown. So I managed to copy these blue. I love them. Blue's my favorite color. And more special things about the shoe. On the toe, on the laces, it comes with these small shoelace locks that say Supreme in gold. And it comes with a shoe tag in black and it says world famous Supreme and Nike. on both sides. So that is a nice addition to the shoes. I'll do some close-ups for y'all. Check it out. There you have it, YouTube. Thanks for checking out this video. If you got to this point, I appreciate the support. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more content like this about Nike SBs, skateboarding, Supreme, whatever pickup I have, I'm gonna upload it here. Make sure to like this video, it'll help the channel grow. And also comment what you thought about the drop, how your experience on the drop was, if you copped, if you took an L, what your favorite color was. I want to hear y'all's thoughts about this drop because I personally love them. Blue is my favorite colorway and I'm so stoked I got them in hand. Alright, thanks again YouTube. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.